If your washing machine drain is overflowing and making gurgling sounds, it usually means there's a partial clog messing with the water flow and causing a backup. So here's the deal. First, don't just keep pouring soap and boiling water down there. That it might help a bit, but won't always clear the blockage if it's lint or grime stuck deep inside. You want to grab a drain bladder or a small plumbing snake from a hardware store like Home Depot or Ace Hardware. The drain bladder works by using water pressure to force the clog out, while the snake physically breaks up or pulls out whatever's stuck in the pipe. Disconnect the cold water supply line at your washer and attach the Drain King or bladder device there. Run water through it to push the clog through the drain pipe. Make sure you do this gently so you don't damage the pipes or your washer's hose. Also, try not to let long gaps build up between laundry loads because lint and detergent residue settle and create blockages over time. Finally, regularly clean your washer's lint trap or filter if it has one, and avoid putting too much detergent in because excess soap can cause buildup too. One of the biggest problems people run into with washer drain issues is relying solely on boiling water or chemical drain cleaners, which often don't tackle lint clogs effectively. Instead, using physical tools like a drain snake or bladder gets better results. Another common mistake is ignoring regular maintenance, like cleaning lint traps or running frequent loads to keep debris from settling. Lastly, people sometimes forget to check the hose connections and clamps. If these are loose or damaged, leaks and backups happen even without a clog. Fix these by scheduling basic maintenance every few months, using proper tools for clearing blockages, and tightening or replacing any faulty hoses. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their way around plumbing and other home repairs. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with real customers looking for their specific skills and get steady work without all the hassle.